Hi there, this is Feon, the creator of Driveway Digital. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of my Canva templates so you can design and sell your very own digital planners and printables, saving you the hassle and time to create planners and printables, templates and such from scratch. So all these Canva templates are for commercial use, which means you can purchase this template, edit the design, and sell the end product as your very own. But do bear in mind that you are not allowed to resell this Canva link that competes with this particular product. So once you have purchased my product, just click on the Canva link and it will bring you to the Canva website. Select Use the template. Before using the template, do sign up for a free account first. Now I'm going to show you some simple ways to edit the designs in Canva, like how to edit text, how to add and edit designs, how to edit tables, and lastly, how to download. So to edit the text, all you have to do is to click on the text itself, and you can choose whichever text that appeals to you. But if you have the free account, the selection will be quite limited. What I like about Canva is that you can choose whichever type of fonts that come to your mind. So it can be handwriting, calligraphy, can be corporate, modern, and so many types of font for you to choose. So if I want my text to look like it's handwritten, all I have to do is to choose the handwriting font, and this is how it looks like. Here are some tips to adjusting the spacing of the text. So for example, if I want to increase the spacing between each sentence over here, I can choose the line spacing and adjust accordingly. And if I want to increase or decrease the spacing between each letter, I can choose the letter spacing as well. To spruce up the design of my text, I can also add some effects. For example, I can add some shadows, which I can adjust the direction of it, the transparency of the shadow. I can add some colors, or I can add the background color as well, and choose whatever color that appeals to me. And next, if I want to curve it, I can also choose the curve function and adjust the curviness of the text. To add in designs from Canva, select Elements at the sidebar and type in whichever design that you are looking for. Do note that you can only choose the free designs, as using designs from Canva Pro for selling may infringe their rules and regulations. So what do I mean by that is that if you see graphics or images, photos that say Pro at the bottom, it is not advisable for you to use them for selling. There are certain designs in Canva which you can use and change the colors accordingly. So for example, I can change the hair color, the skin color, the color of the clothing of this particular design. I can also change the opacity of the image. I can bring the image forward or backward accordingly. Next, to add in the tables, go to Elements and look for Tables. You can add in additional columns or rows by hovering your mouse at the side of the table. Click on the plus icon to increase the number of columns or rows. Or you can click on the three dots at the side to add or remove columns or rows. Now to change the width of the table, like what you see over here, whereby one side is longer than the rest, you can simply hold and drag the side of the table and adjust it accordingly. To make sure the rest of the table is neatly arranged with the same sized columns or rows, you can hold the Shift key and click at the two adjacent corners to make sure the rest of the table is selected. Now right-click and choose Size columns or rows equally. To add in color for your header bar of the table, click on one end of the row, hold the Shift key, and click on the other end of it to select the whole row. Now you can fill in any color that you want now. Now, if you don't want any line to be seen at the header bar, you can click on that particular box, select the border, click on which side that you want it to be removed, and then choose the same color as the header bar color. Now you will see that the line is gone, or the line has simply blended into the header bar color. You can either type the text directly onto the table or drag the text box and start inserting the text. Another feature that I really like is that I can arrange all the lines neatly by using the position function. Like what you see over here, all the lines are evenly spaced and arranged very neatly. So how do I do this is by selecting all the lines first while holding the shift key. Go to position, then select the aligned elements first. I would choose align to the left first. You will notice that the spacing between the lines are not evenly spaced yet. So what I can do is that I will drag the line, the bottom line, to the ideal position, and then I will choose position again and hit tidy up. So after editing your design, and if you're happy with it, you are now ready to download. Choose Share, select Download, select PDF Print, as this will give you the highest quality. At the bottom, you can choose either to download all the pages or only a selected few. Hit Done and you are now ready to download. Now we have come to the end of this tutorial. Have fun designing your very own printables or planners. So all the best to your business, and I'll see you again. Bye!